I don't even come with an apology, so I don't have any feelings. What up, sir, chat? What up, sir, team? Trot, we are trying so we can go look at a match play, yeah. Come here. Never want to talk about that, that's something I look. Me could have got really slow and class somebody publicly and diss them publicly. And then see them ramble me send me a match and me slow and tell me say me and my friend. With no apology. Me not even say boy I'm not in the line. I'm sincerely sorry for what me say. Me say boy yo, I must have feelings some at no reason at no time in pine in my life. My feelings not valid. No one for know, you know. Me a human being, blood no run through me, and my feelings are it's not validated by nobody. Cause me not seek validation, you know. But my feelings is not validated. Cause me couldn't go say Toto go suck your mama. And then me go expect say 2 days, 3 after, me can call Toto and say Toto want and Toto, and then me go diss him up and tell him certain things. And then Munchie, think now? Me not call people name. Don't the argument. Can you depend who I can't bother with that? Don't the argument. Find how much play. No, do not me not do that yourself. Allow me. Where you go in a box and a chat me for? Hey, I the wrong blood clot man, you ramp with here. Leave me a fucking loan last time. Me I think I thought come suck my pussy. I the wrong bitch you rank with. Come suck out my pussy. A gun for gun. Gun for gun. Gun for gun. Gun for gun. See them, I show you it. Come figure it out, come suck my pussy a gun for gun. A gun for gun. A gun for gun. I'm gonna show you something not even Aki me no want to back me up. Remember you have my address, pull up. Come eat up my pussy with a straw, knife and fork settings. Go suck out back your mama. Go ramp with me, you're too fucking bright. Hey, suck pussy boy, make me for liberty up your blood clot in hey boy. Go rinse out back your mama, don't text my blood clot phone. Text my blood. Hey boy, come chuck off your head in my blood clot pussy like and dive in it and eat my pad. Don't text my phone and go suck your mother. Hey boy, don't ramp with blood clot me. Don't text my phone. You look here, one ticket blood clot go. Hey boy, I'm gonna get out of character for you now. Over there, pussy. Don't text my phone, man, I move. You stink no blood clot. Righty? Bright and face there about where you're going up. Make a video call and show you it. Bright and feisty, but go suck back your mom and come bite out my hole with a tree stain. Bright, I'm gonna any box to call any boy name. Anything or anything. And that me the pan. You want to get it technical and creepy? Me go get this blood clot technical and creepy. Pussy. Come remember me make people know you. Cause you never know nobody. Now get right with me. I don't know nothing about me. I remember I'm gonna lick up batty. I know nobody for you know piss by me yet. Now get right with blood clot. Me kind of sick it for blood clot me. Now get right with me. Now ramp with me. Come you out in a 2 seconds. Because hey boy. Now get right with blood clot. Me come you out in a 2 minutes. Now ramp with me. Don't get the technical with me.
Look young.
Bright and face and rude and stink. I can't delete it. I'm going to delete it and see it. I can't delete it. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to block him. I'm going to delete it. See it here? My screenshot. See it here? See it here? Hey, what? I'm going to turn it. See it here? See it there? Hey, Rose, go suck your mother and love me. Where you go in a box a chat? Where you go in a box a chat me for? In a box a chat me for? Hey, I the wrong blood clot man, you ramp with your. Leave me alone. Leave me alone last time. What I'm saying, so? But alright, don't stop. Alright. How you want to come to bad me up? What is the camera get a me all and I tremble, you know? But alright, don't stop calling. But alright, don't stop. Me know where me I go do, yeah. Yeah, him know where am I go do. You have secret for me?
What I say? Don't know? Jesus, man. I'm coming home tomorrow. I don't get I'm coming home. I'm coming home tonight.
Me never know, say, me never know. Afraid of you? When it's your brighty?
Where's that Jordan?
Me a share it. Share screen.
Oh.
My father gonna beat me. Righty? Wait there, come here, like tremble. How about the blood clot this year? Yeah, see it?
Yeah, me I see it, yeah.
Remember you're up on speaker, friend. You read? But alright, don't stop me know where me I go do. Yeah. Me what say? Alright, don't stop me know where me I go. In Brighty? Me I told upon another radar. Say you say me a mascot?
So June, you want him have something?
Whoa, I feel like running, skipping, praise the Lord for what you have done for me. We have set my spirit free. Never know say I want the blood clot this year, boy. Pass a Red Bull for me. I get out of 100 on coming, I want to get tips.
Oh, God.
What did I say about this 30-month boy? More than them don't rest story. Cause the story gone from well or blood clot and the people. Me no wonder one day. That's all I said. Oh! So uno for talk about me, but me no for talk about uno. You're the pa married talk. You're the pa married art too. And everybody knows everybody. Start it. But I won't know when what you will, I'm afraid of you. I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah. You know my name and I know your name. You know where I live and I know exactly where you blood clot live. You make link and I make my link as well. Start it. Yeah. I'm afraid of you. Go sit down, you little boy. Go sit down and go hide. Yeah. Go sit down, you're too enough. Don't ramp with me. Cause you don't know shit about blood clot me. Oh. Any phone call you can't make me can't make. Don't call me and threaten my blood clot phone, but stop calling him pussy before I start dab you up. I'm your girl. So, me know you tell me nothing. I'm angle my thing.
No, you can mute it when you say something to you.
Me know what you say nothing to me.
You know what I say nothing to you? You know what I say nothing to you?
Nothing at all, me know about it, nothing.
Alright. Just bear in mind that you didn't play your ear.
Jabas, what you doing? You're not playing any games? Yeah, but you don't text my phone. And I gonna make me know, say, me gonna suck out my mother. Hello, my girl, relax now. I saw you do like I saw you doing that life. I make people so now push over. What you mean by everybody can talk about everybody? So what you send threat to me? What you mean by I regular people slung a box and class me? Me I send threat to them? Me not this year. Me say you can't done cause you're a man. And that me say, when man because suck up my mother, you know my mother? Cause me am out fear with that Burger King straw. I do for do. Oh. You come eat out yourself with a blood clot ice cream. I'm with me, come and play with the Nino. And don't get me dark. If I make 3 phone calls or 4, and my money back me. Pussy. Oh. Ramp with me. And me not stop call your name. Who can't hear go feel like you're smaddy? Go beat and brush your teeth. Jabas way I do. Cut the name in the man and come, man. I can't name so. Come sit down and click live and me this is what your name come. Remember, of course, I'm out to other still in the makings. Like everybody talk about everybody on social media. When I talk about me last week, me not on my mouth y'all know. Me not say nothing. Me not say nothing on my mouth. Nobody ever class a while ago. Top girl said the argument gone from when the Uno can done now, and that's what I said. Left the people them. Cause you said the people them are all woman and all woman support we. And that me say, what did I say wrong? Me not say nothing wrong. Me I know me not style you. Oh, you think say me a water and soap? Wrong, bitch. Wrong, smaddy. Wrong, smaddy. Wrong person. Me a wrong, girl. You think me did? Oh, so you me not come out, come on last get this. A silent me I use it. You guys talk the ramp with me. Cause you don't know who me. I mean, have who back me. And somebody where you don't know. Focus shot. No! Him come out last week and I chat him in an answer. Where you have message my phone for. I got to tell me go suck my mother like you're smaddy. Me had this year. Me never did say yet. What you mean by you got to tell me go suck my mother? You're out of your bright. Me never did say yet. Me never did say yet. What you mean by it? A long time the big pussy boy not like me. A long time. I'm fake. No. Me never beg you yet. John Crow. I'm gonna lick out batty. Nobody feel never back school out of my mouth yet. So talk. What you know about me? Me could just come in the block. Me could go on the red carpet. I say which one of we heels tighter. Focus as a chat. Focus chat. No way I don't text my phone. Me never soon no. I talk about anybody who want to talk about it's my mouth. Oh, not talk about me. So it don't go one way. I'll not tap me those out of my mouth. Avoid me. Cause me only never start shit. I keep me like me not like couldn't avoid me. I'm going to talk, go up on any bad box of talk when me want to talk, I feel me out. I feel me out. No send me no threat. Me a woman. Like it is me a eat that me a mascot. Me talk anything I want to talk. Like I gonna talk. I'm not alone body. Leave me alone. I'm not afraid of you. No send me no threat. Or ring up back your mama the one who eat you. I want some argument to do no. Come. Being you. Yeah. Come again. Make sure being enough early. I bet you know. How much you know, fellows? I watch. I'm here get you to end nice stick. I'm here get you to end nice stick. Focus chat, cause we're not stooped to do their levels. Chat, we don't have no more money gone. Cause me no soon, me no know, no. Me no soon, no. But them a go start. Them a go start. You know, them a go start. You know. That not nothing to do with me. Me not fight for nothing, so. Try to focus on the game now. Like, uno have a serious problem with people. Chat. Uno know the platform them work for me. Me and Akim, Top Girl Trio, Tamara, Jules. You know the platform I rep. After a long time, trio, them all out for me. Even when me in a saga with people I see you, as they light, sometimes I'll 5 to the church, yeah, with like she no sleep. Come for the blood clot, girl, the blood clot, girl. I should talk. Me say something to somebody? Short, me not say nothing to nobody. I didn't say nothing. More than me go over True Live and True say the argument gone from last week Saturday. I wanna rile up by the argument. I mean I say you can done. Because if somebody is not friend, you don't need to make it be so obvious on social media like it's a crime. What people don't talk. Is that a crime? Of course, I call Jules' name. Nobody not trouble nobody. Nobody not trouble nobody. The argument can done. And that we are discussed. The this and the that and the real and she even have same come out and say the old woman, the mama same can't come out and of course the old woman because a lot of old people support us. Where did I go wrong? How did I ever disrespect you in a no way? So what y'all telling you guys are telling me that I am not allowed to talk. Me not allowed for talk, so nobody value my feelings. I know how I feel. No time at all. If I'm winning, I keep my mouth shut. But me I wonder how long me gonna keep my mouth shut. Come I don't want to blow up on nobody, you know. Need me no want blow up on nobody, you know. Cause this is crazy. Cause I know I don't say no to my mouth. And when I do something, when I do something, you want to come threaten me because stop my mother. I'm going to stop calling name. Like, me is a woman. It's a woman's strength to have. So me take this now and carry this to the police now. What them I going to say down 100 man? How no people afraid of you know? Why you do this? Eh? Everybody have a right to their own opinion. You say what you say last week. I know me not say no time my mouth, you know. I know. When me see a Friday, me not see you. When me see a Friday morning, you woman, me not look pan uno. Me not look pan uno. Me not look pan uno. Me not belch. Me not quarrel. Me not say nothing. Me hold me head straight. And all I am saying is, if me on don't deal, you don't have to make it obvious pan the net. That's all me I say. Me not push no war. Me never class nobody. Me too well intellect for that. But when I got me the point of duty for text my phone and disrespect on my phone on me buy with my phone and disrespect me on my phone, me not gonna sit well with that. Because you're quick for God tell me I got suck my mother on my phone. But last week you never quick for text my phone and be a man. Last week you never quick for text my phone and quash it down on the phone and say, alright then. Nobody with a careless argument on the net. But you're quick now for text my phone now, for threaten me and I tell me if I got suck my mother. Tell me make it make sense. I don't like who here so. Because if you quick for tell me, say if I got suck, you quick for this me, you know. And I know, me figure out there's a lot of, there's a lot of things that I want to say. A whole bunch eat. Me say I want to rub you down to the glass part of your teeth them. We fake. But I go hold my composure. Because when the lion asleep, don't wake it. It's when the lion asleep, don't wake it. Because he's not a nice gal if you play with. I mean, you know that. Don't play with me. Oh, you're ungrateful, you fuck. You're not facing more than me. Relax. Remember who you are dealing with. No ramp with me, come and ramp with you. Oh. Remember, I'm not living in your shadow, you know. Just remember, I'm not living in your shadow. Just remember that me, Rosealee, not living in your shadow, no time. Just remember that. I'm not living in your shadow. I'm not living in your shadow. I'm not live in your shadow. So me ask you a question now. Every time them come and do and say we just don't ignore them. Coming on no feelings and I'm gonna say these people you go around with, these people you sit down, you go around with you talk to them on phone and you go around them and you eat and you drink and them just fake. Because I'm over top girl I say you can't done the argument. Because that's basically what I'm portraying. You could have text me and say, boy, Rose. Never done the argument. I don't text my phone at all. You could have text me and say, boy, Rose. Rate and Blair don't text me that. Well, what up, chat because sometimes what am I fight for on the internet? Me don't know what am I fight the button will never get it. But anyway, power tap. No blood no run through my brain. Make him go on class. No about me. All him can't tell me some shit, but me never beg him yet. All him can't tell me some shit, but me never beg him yet. Me not live in anybody's shadow, but it's okay. Coins. Red eye. Coins. Yeah, man, show your true color, man. Coins. Even the closest to your bad by the red eye. Remember money at your demise, sir. You know, used to nothing. Can't trick me. Remember money at demise. Coins. 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 Coins and social media hype. And validation and seek. Yeah, long time you stay so. A long time I see you fake, you know. Me only tolerate you. Come see through you a long time. Me just tolerate and just, you know, my whole, my cool. Coins and money. Focus chart. Boy. I'm glad this happened. Of course, then Bella, if evident, Bella, I'm not blind. Bella, take me a mascot. The man I like me for morning. Morning. Anybody where you say quick for this year around you, we're quick. So, it's about them not like it for morning. Yeah. Oh, Rose. And Rose, I'm a sis clout. It's okay. But me, you know, me glad say, me glad all of this happened. Because when Akima try to keep the peace, I try to say, all right, then rate him. Because Akima peacemaker in a chat. And I'm try to keep the peace. My instinct, my gut line. I say, I'm the only person in my life, I tell myself something that I never forgive.
What?
I say, not even what Diamond say hurt more than him.
What?
Lock the door! And in my instinct, all I walk on. In my instinct, where all I walk on, my mind was right all along about him. Right all along. Right all along. Right all along. Oh, right all along. And oh, me say chat and not even me say me not even a pre-dimer like how me a pre him. You know what me not pre-dimer like how me a pre him? Diamond woman, me understand her. The same thing, I see me when me talk with him about the same thing me say to him. Me not even a pre-dimer like how me a pre him. Me not even a pre-dimer like how me a pre him. And that me look for myself and tell myself, you know what, me look for myself, you know what, me look upon myself and tell myself, say, me not even a pre-dimer like how me a pre him. When Diamond get up and argue the Saturday, he was there. And if you did like me, well, stick a pin. Hold on, cool. You know why me a pre him? You sit down there and you come talk about your picnic yesterday. Fool. He said if you did care about Diamond, I never talk about want and like and love. He said if you did care about Diamond, check for her in a way, you would make you sit there, come on the internet and class me for them to be bashing her. You make them a class her. The class in it all because of you. Yo. You never stand beside her as a man and say, babes, done. Done. Finish. No bother with it. No, you egg it on. Like a girl in a frock. Bad man, I jealousy for what? I'm a true. I'm not bad man, nobody for nothing. A girl me used to sleep on. Come here. I'm never gonna argue. I'm gonna deal with it intelligently. You see them oh and my the gentleman thing where you portrait pure lie. You see when woman when woman like myself, yeah, I argue woman the side of we, woman must can calm with down. And them and them me like what say babes done. Actually, you know, so when the man said done, you go done because you like your man. You not care about her. Because if you care about her, that's why I say, don't do this on the net. Leave it. If your rose have a problem, make us solve it off a social media. No, you make sure come, behave the way you go on. No, they might eat her alive. To all them eat her alive over here, me break the ice Monday. And the reason I play the match with her Monday because I want to come off her now. I want them ease her off her now. I want them ease off her. Come to tell them rip her. Everybody I make video. I want them ease off her now. That is what I did. The one where you say 8 people. That's why I play the match with her. I want them ease off her now. You can't adapt Mr. Toto. Mr. Toto, I want them ease off. Enough is not. Them can't done now. So I play one match. Them can't come off her now. You come now, agree snit. 2 idiot camper, blind or lead blind. You have sense? Woman work off for them emotion is a fucking man. Tell her done. No bother with it. Oh, I mean, no, Rose like me, baby. If you don't have her back, you tell a woman done. I saw people up, they can't finish now. Leave that. When I want people best interest at heart, to tell them leave things and allow that and let go that and keep the peace. You know, see the fire blaze and go throw more gasoline on it. Pour more. So the me when she get ignorant, you pour more, you make it blaze more. That's what your purpose is there for. Are you and her sit down and clue clocks it? Because sometimes sit down and think all deep, you know. So you and her sit down and plan it, you know. Because there's no way me can sit down here so and I go be here. All a while ago, I go get mad pan, yellow shit pan, done. And people care about you do that. Have the best interest at heart, them tell it done. Nobody do that. Instead of you never care about me, you let that egg me on. You just class him, girl, rub him out. Yeah. You know like her. You know, so them drag diamond. And you were sitting right there. They come out we come out now, you know, because you look clout now, you know. When you come off far, when you come, you let she came here and do all of those stuff. You allow her to do it. You allow her to do it. They take one long whole a week to come back. But you come off far now, you come off far now. Like I think people is stupid. You can't use the head here, so I'm smarter than you. I'm not really give you what you want. Come here now, I'm finish with you now, with my sentences. You could have keep picnic, or undernick. I don't give 2 fuck. Me not walk in a boy shadow. You understand? Me have more followers more than you, more popular more than you. Nothing that you do does not entertain. You're born with capital B. So you could have keep picnic, honeymoon suite, Dalios, pat and kickle. That not nothing to do with me. You're born like capital B. The viewers were not entertained. Go and do your homework and shut the fuck up. But bad man, for what? Go and do your homework. You are boring. Mr. Boring. Mr. Have no content. Mr. Chat too much. Remember I regularly rings out my blood clot name for blood clot views and clout and hype. And you know deep down in your toe, you 8, 9, 10 and can't stand and can't stomach rose. So you know have to come tell me nothing. But I don't know who busy with your boring blood clot event. You know, so Diamond was unpleased. You know, see it. You're blind. Then if you want to do something with her, she unpleased. Wait till the viewers them all say, go away. Go away, yeah. Go away. You're too enough. Don't bother with me. Me no hate her blood clot. I mean, I'm talking publicly. Me can't hate Diamond. When my pity them did they see Peter Shalom me say could I wipe my tears. Me not hate her, me not argue with her. Just I walk away from the world for banga, rank, and me I try, get out of that element, then no. I want you to sit down and to do all the things you are there. And Yes, sir, we had the Fantastic Four. How comes you as a other man couldn't tell us the time I left that? I'm a woman. Me there on Diamond. When she upset, I left the car Diamond. You sit down and reason with her. I should tell her how she feel like get off her stomach. That's how she stay. That's how she stay. You don't even know her. She want her listening ears. You never did realize that. Instead of you just come with me sit down and talk about it. Make her find Rose and me and Rose. Conference a phone call. No, you make she come at your class. I should go on here add to it and it's not okay. I only look like pussies, not me. And I know me in a class when I tell you the truth. And in all of this, figure it out that you me despise more. Yeah. And my intention for you was right all along. You don't surprise me. Hush. You never surprised me. You couldn't surprise me. You never surprised me. From morning till night, my instincts about you from the get-go was right all along. My instincts about you was right all along. But people class me have strength for. My instincts was was right about you all along. Me not yet diamond. The whole way a woman. We can tear it down and shake pam and go on with yourself. Me not hate her. Me not hate her. Me just think she said some uncalled for stuff. Instead she just say it off the media, it wouldn't be a problem to me. But she should say it on the media, I feel some type of, but me not hate her. You me not like. For real. And if me never did like it, then make me hate, you know. Be a man. You come over here, boy, you're for the ladies. I'm a man. Be a man. Move your blood clot and go where and move and go. Be a man. You made the fucking woman sit down there, so class, one, behave some type of way. When you into that jogger and tear her down, you come come off her, you cause it. If you care about her that much, you wouldn't make you do it. Be a man. And move your blood clot and go away. But grudge for picnic, Mr. Boring. Go on. You're boring like blood clot yesterday. Where? You come like when some people see me and say, you're pretty in a real life, E? I'm like, is that a joke or something? I say you're boring. Cause me pretty in a real life. You're boring. Me no soon would not know me go just a move. Look like me I walking at somebody's footstep. But picnic where? Nothing no affect me. From man in the night no count no boring. Look at me walking at people's footsteps. Me no walking at people's shadow. Me do my own thing, you know see that? Be a man. Be a man. Man calm them woman. Like if me I go cuss now on the phone, I can go call me and be so fucking pissed off and be me in a telephone down and I'm start. And that is man duty. No you egg and story and chat and gossip like a girl. Me always tell my son and my me I love man, I love chat. Move. Oh. Good bestia. You have reached deep throat the center. I'm going to goggle now. What is it? Yes. Yeah. Me always tell him that. Ask him. When my son started, I say, move. Me no love man who love chat. All the while. Me no love man who love chat. All the while. I say, hey, come here. Yeah, I say, come here. Yeah, me no love man who love chat. Me no like man who love chat. You chat too much, man. Me like man who love chat. Man, for behave like man. But I chatting. I move. I fall up for waste blood clad argument. I something I look, you know. Me no know about chatting.